Good day everyone, I'm Nukum Janis, the cooperative president. So my role is to engage my audience as a cooperative leader, not as a lecturer, but as someone who genuinely wants to invite people to join and support your community-based cooperative. So Barangay Daang Hari is a vibrant community located in Navotas City, Philippines, known for its resilience and strong sense of community. So Daang Hari faces various challenges typically of urban areas, including access to healthcare. To address this issue, the resident established the Barangay Daang Hari Navotas Insurance Health Cooperative. So our mission at the Barangay Daang Hari Navotas Insurance Health Cooperative is to provide more affordable and comprehensive health insurance solutions that empower our members to access quality healthcare services. So we strive to promote health literacy and foster community engagement, ensuring that every member feels supported and secure in their health decisions. So our vision is we envision a future where every resident of Barangay Daang Hari enjoys optimal health and well-being free from the financial barriers of healthcare. So through our cooperative, we aim to cultivate a community where individuals and families strive supported by our healthcare system that prioritize preventive. Show our short-term or objectives establish a seamless enrollment processes for members, ensuring that they have immediate access to affordable health insurance and essential health services. So our long-term is we aim to expand our cooperative offerings to include wellness programs, preventive health initiatives, and partnership with local healthcare providers. So ultimately, fostering a healthier and more resilient community in Barangay Daang Hari. So our services and community benefits in the Barangay Daang Hari Navotas Insurance Health Cooperative will provide essential services such as affordable health insurance, preventive health screenings, and wellness programs tailored to the needs of our community. So these services will enhance the overall well-being of residents, reduce health-related financial burdens, and promote a culture of health awareness and support within the Barangay Daang Hari. So, who are your target members or beneficiaries? So, our primary target markets are residents of Barangay Daang Hari, of course. So, particularly low to middle income families who may struggle with healthcare affordability. So, we also aim to include marginalized groups such as senior citizens and street vendors, ensuring that everyone in the community has access to vital health resources. So, how will this cooperative improve the quality of life in the barangay? So, improving quality of life, this is a cooperative will significantly improve the quality of life in Barangay Daang Hari. So, by providing members with the financial security needed to seek medical care without fear of high costs, by promoting health education and preventive care, so we will cultivate a healthier community, enhance overall well-being, leading to increased productivity and a better standard of living for all residents. Dear resident of Barangay Daang Hari, we invite you to support and join our cooperative as we work together to build a healthy community for all. So let's unite in purpose and strength, because together we can create a brighter future where every individual has access to the care they deserve. So remember, our health is our shared responsibility.